Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change ear cups for your headphones JLAB GOWORK. So firstly you need to remove your old ear cups. So let's do this, it's pretty simple. Here we go. And let's do the same for the right ear cup. After that you need to select new ear cups. So I'm going to use this one. Now, right here we have at the left and the same for the right, we have bayonet mount. So to replace your ear cup, you need to align them with the bayonet mount, then insert and rotate. So let me show it for you. Okay, I just did it. No. Okay, now. And then I'm just going to rotate my headphones, my ear cup, sorry. And now we just replace it. So let's do this for the right one. Here we go. And then only rotate. And as you can see, we did it. So it's pretty simple with these headphones. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!